So the earlier we have sent you is with this one, and now we have changed our system. I will send you these two pieces. What you have to do is place this here. It will be like tight, and this part will come here. And the next you just need to place the camera. And then we can hang the tablet PC. एक पहले बाहर लो. And now I will show you from the front.
फिर से करना.
Now in this video I will show you that it is parafocal with all 4 objectives. Now at present we have 4x, and we can just adjust the fine focus. And if we move on to 10x, and then 10x, we just need to do the fine focus, and it will come like this. And after this we move to 40x. 40x we also have the image, and with 100x we need oil, but still we can have some like image without oil also. So all 4 objectives were parafocal, and I will send you this attachment, the back attachment for the previous 2 microscopes, and you can easily install by yourself. Thank you.